Good morning, class. This is East Africa Flora and Fauna, and I'm Mr. Roman. And today I want to just move out a little bit from mammals because we have discussed a lot, and I want to introduce a subtopic that we call biomes. Biomes is a community of plants and animals that live in certain conditions. And in the world, we have different types of biomes. The first biome is what we call tundra. That's normally found in the northern hemisphere. In this region, it is normally characterized with a lot of very long winter period of time and short summer time. In this winter time, temperatures goes as low as negative 34 degrees Celsius. And you find that the plant that grows in this area must be adapted to those areas. Examples of plants that grows there are mosses and lichen. We also have animals like seal, we have insects, we have bats that live in this area. So the first one is tundra. Then from there we have taiga or boreal forest, whereby these are forests that normally spread along Asia areas and the northern America area. And this forest normally appear in one stud with plants that we call coniferous forests. Most of the time they are normally used for labeling and they are very important. So that is the next biome. Number 3, we have temperate forest, which normally shed their leaves in different time. Remember, during tundra time, the temperate forest is going to shed their leaves and they are normally inactive. So the temperate forest form the third biomes. Then from there, we have now the tropical forests that normally found along the equator. They form jungle. This is whereby you have trees growing up to 40 meters feet. And there's a lot of rainfall in this area and temperatures are moderate, now giving to luxuriant lights of type of forest. Then we have, from now the tropical, we have the grassland, and they that have an extensive grass, and they are normally found in Africa. Then from there we have savanna. Savanna, the difference between savanna and grassland, that savanna we have different species of plant that grows there compared to grassland whereby we have grass. Other biomes that we have fresh water, they are the rivers. Then marine, these are ocean that normally form 70% of the Earth's surface. So biomes are areas, a community of plants and animals in an area, and they have the same characteristics. And I'll just repeat very fast. We have the first one is tundra. Then the second one is what we are calling the taiga or the boreal forest. From there we have the temperate forest. Then from there we have the tropical forest. Then from tropical we have the grassland, the savanna, and finally we have freshwater and marine. So those are the concept of biomes, and I think we are going to discuss more about it. Finally, I just want to say that between the biomes, you may have different types of plant that grows there or animals that lives there because the transition zone. So you may find that in these areas you can have a transition zone that whereby now from moving from tundra to taiga, you have a different types of plant or animals living in that area. Otherwise, with that few remarks on the biomes, I hope you have understood, and we're going to meet next class as we discuss more.